Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Michael in DC on this new RCI-2950dx. Michael, we got you ready to go, my friend. Turn our tire down here and show you exactly what we got. 5-watt slug, half-watt carrier. Roll it up. 5 watts all the way up. Roll it back down. We'll go over here and check average power with a 100-watt slug. Low audio. About 14 average. Check the peak side. Low audio. 40 watts on the peaks. Alright, Michael, it's ready to come to you, my friend. Hope you enjoy it. For your friend Truck, truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.